How's your drink?
It's really good. It's a really good summer drink.
I saw you put the mint leaves on it.
Yes, gotta have the garnish.
I don't like mint, so no. So this drink is pretty great and would be fun to make for a couple of get-togethers or a family barbecue. I wanted to ask, when you get together with your friends to celebrate, how often do those celebrations involve drinking?
I feel like almost all of our celebrations involve drinking. Whether you're going to like a restaurant or like at a family party, there's always drinks involved, especially like in the cooler. There's always like waters mixed with beer, and like it's almost impossible to find like the kids like little
Capri Sun juice.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's crazy that it's seen as a common thing in our culture. But today I wanted to talk about how often people drink alcohol and how that leads to alcohol poisoning.
Right. I feel like drinking a lot of alcohol too quickly or too much can definitely lead to a lot of significant impairments and even health consequences.
So yeah, motor coordination, decision making, impulse control, and other functions of the brain are impaired, and that does increase the risk of harm. Alcohol poisoning, or otherwise known as alcohol overdose, happens when there's so much alcohol in the bloodstream that the brain begins to shut down.
What areas of the brain are those?
They're the areas of the brain that control our basic life support functions, such as our breathing, our heart rate, and our body temperature. There's even signs and symptoms of alcohol poisoning that someone can look out for if it does happen. This includes, mental confusion, clammy skin, low body temperature, a slowed heart rate, really slow breathing, and slow responses.
Those are actually really important facts. I'll be sure to share them with my friends since we never know what could happen. It sounds really serious.
It is pretty serious considering that it could lead to permanent brain damage or even death. And this is why we like to share with the community and our loved ones all these important facts. It's better to be safe, so for the next time you're throwing a party or a barbecue, instead of alcohol, maybe we should, people should try making these fun non-alcoholic drinks.
Yeah, and the best part is that everyone can enjoy them.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.